Hey guys, welcome back. I've started with a prepped and painted cup. I painted this cup with prickly pear from Rust-Oleum. And what I'm doing here is I am taking some tape and we're just going to tape off where the decal is going to go because I want to make sure I leave room for it. Once I have the area taped off, I'm going to take my decal and set it to the side. And next we're going to take some white acrylic paint and I'm just going to paint some brush stroke areas. That's where our honeycomb peekaboo, if that's what you want to call it, is going to be. Once I'm finished with that and it dries, we're going to put a very thin layer of epoxy on to get ready for our glitter. Sometimes it can be hard to apply such a thin layer of epoxy. If you heat up your cup with a heat gun, that's what I use, the epoxy will glide on so much easier. I'm going to start with the white sections where our honeycombs are going to go. I'm going to use some really light pink colors and a white, it's like an opal-y color. Next, I'm going to use this really pretty pink chunky glitter. It's called Paparazzi and it's from the Inspired Angels, but I don't think she's selling glitter anymore. Once I have that on, I'm just going to tap all the glitter down and try to get it to lay as flat as possible. And then around those white sections, I got that glitter out beyond the white section, so I am gonna go back in with some Mod Podge and a little paintbrush and add some glitter to those areas. After I fixed it and the epoxy was dry, I did 2 coats of epoxy, and now we're ready to put our decal on. So I went to apply the honeycombs, and it looked terrible in person. It doesn't look that bad in the video, but it was not cute. So I went a different direction, but I wanted to leave it in and let you guys see what I tried first. I ended up going with these honeycombs, and it was kind of a pain also. So I put them on, and then I had to cut the pieces off that were hanging outside the white section, so it would look like the honeycombs were inside, if you know what I mean. And then I had to cut them apart and fill in spaces also. Before I started putting these on, I did do my sanding. You can tell I did it around the top rim, and I did it around the bottom also. And at the top, you want to expose a thin line of stainless steel. That way our epoxy has something to adhere to. And here it is with all the honeycombs on. I don't love it, but that's okay. After that, I did 2 finishing coats of epoxy, and here it is all finished. Make sure to give this video a like, and make sure to subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you think of this cup. Thank you!